Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock the new repost feature on the Instagram mobile app. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, then scroll down to see pending updates. If Instagram is listed, tap Update. If it says open, you are good to go. The repost feature usually rolls out to public and professional account first. To increase your chance, switch to professional account. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go to the profile icon, then tap the three lines at the top right. Tap on account privacy. From here, you can switch to professional account. After switching, give it a little time. Instagram may take a few hours or days to unlock the feature. Sometimes you need to close and reopen the app or even restart your phone. Now go back to any public video or reel in your feed. If you see the option that says repost, the feature is now unlocked. You can now repost it to your feed or story, and that's it. That's how you unlock a new feature, repost, in the Instagram mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.